Hello, welcome to this tutorial where we show you everything new in the form design section of Releasit. This update is designed to offer you more control, better customization, and a completely renewed visual experience. Buy button. The Buy button is now located in the upper right corner of the form. This is the button your customers will press to open the form, whether from the product pages or from the cart page. You can customize the text and style of the button to match your site. When displayed in your store, it will use the same font defined in your theme. Form design. Our new form includes a new, more intuitive configuration panel where you can choose the form design type, select the display mode, enable geolocation if you sell in multiple countries, activate advanced options, and edit the generic text of the form. Everything is centralized and easy to configure. Form style. In the Form Style section, you will be able to change the font size used, use full color controls to customize background colors, borders, and texts. Real-time responsive design. The form automatically adapts according to the device, computer, tablet, or mobile. Drag and drop builder with live preview. The new form includes a drag and drop builder that allows you to drag elements directly into the form. Everything you do will be instantly reflected thanks to the live preview. You can edit each field individually according to your specifications, adjusting its content. Additionally, you can modify its size within the form, choosing between half width or full width, depending on the design that best suits your store. To add more elements to your form, you just have to click the corresponding button. There you will find options such as text fields, images, buttons, and selectors. Order Summary Customization. Within the Order Summary section, you can now directly edit each text field, customize the background color and the border according to your visual preferences. This allows you to adapt the presentation of the order summary to the style of your store. You can combine them according to your needs to build a functional and attractive form. Edit mode and preview mode. We have two modes that you can easily switch between. Edit mode, to make changes to the content and design. Preview mode, to visualize how the form will look in your store in real time. This allows you to work with precision and agility. At the top left of the editor, you will be able to see at all times whether your changes have been saved correctly. Shipping rates. In the shipping rates section, you can create new rates that will be applied to the form, import rates directly from your Shopify account, and delete the ones you do not need. You can edit each rate manually using the pencil icon, where you can adjust conditions, prices, and more. Likewise, in the form design section, you can directly edit the shipping rates. Thank you for being part of Releasit. If you have any questions or need help implementing these changes, you can contact our support team at any time. We are here to help you.